What a windy weather today. It's rainy and windy. Look at this. Shaking, shaking. There it's coming. Wow, wow. Yeah. It's very rainy and windy. Look at the water is just coming out. That gentleman is struggling with the umbrella because of the heavy wind. It's very challenging for him to manage. He's struggling a lot. As you can see, that London Shard. Yeah, that's in London Bridge. Oh, look at the wind. Wow, that's too heavy. Yeah, that's people are walking out. Let's get into the station. Yeah, this is the train.